here coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And the water hasn't boiled yet, so I just wanted to do a quick shout out to the people down below. If you are watching, thank you for knocking on our door this day. This would have been 2 months ago. Yeah, so there was a complaint about noise and then a note on our door last night, and it started becoming clear it's not us they're complaining about. It's those crazy little children in the front room that are making all the noise. So got a knock on the door just before 10 a.m. like this nice lady. It's like, I knew that as soon as there was some communication, it would get figured out. They're like gone most of the day. So it's like my whole fear of not being able to walk around like a crazy person, that's gone. And now I've got all this time, not in the morning, I mean, but it works out. I'm really stoked. And I made them an enormous bag of noodles. So hopefully they're stoked too. So yeah, I'm jazzed. You have no idea. That like totally made my day. I am thrilled beyond thrilled. So just as long as we can keep them from jumping up and down like crazy rabid beasts, I think we'll be good. It might be harder to do than say, but I'll do what I can, that's for sure. But yeah, how's everybody doing? Today we've got one that came in a recent box. This is from Thai Chef. This is their chicken flavor. I figured, chicken-y kind of day. Chicken. And yeah, this is kind of like an export version. Comes with a foldable fork, which I won't be using. I'm just not a plastic fork kind of guy. I did use that weird swirly twirly fork yesterday. That's not a... I don't like plastic forks. I don't know, they feel funny. It's like, I remember a while back they came out with, what was it, Miller Genuine Draft in plastic bottles. And I got a sixer of it. That's not even a flavor of beer I like at all anyways, but I tried it. This was like, wow, a while ago. Yeah, more like 20 years ago. Anyways, I was like, this doesn't feel right. There's something about cold metal in thine mouth when you're doing the insertion of the food that seems more correct. So come on, give up that chili powder. All right, there's that. And then we have an oil sachet that'll go in now. Bloop, 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 bloop. See, the idea of what I'm doing here, you might have noticed me do this before. I take a Tupperware and I put the cup in there. And the idea is that I'll put it over here and then I won't spill a ton of water out on the stove while I pour it out of the pot. Well, it never seems to work that way. Oh, it's going in. Nope, I still got water on the stove. Put the lid down. Kinda. That's the trick with these lids. You need something to put on top. You need a cupman. They actually make all styles and types of little guys that'll hang out on the side of your noodle cup to hold the lid down. There's like a whole range of products for that. So yeah, I started my day pretty crummy. I slept in. I didn't get to go out and walk. we got the note on the door last night, and I've just been, honestly, it really stressed me out. That's like my thing, you know. I walk around a lot, and to lose the ability to do that is just like, but freaking out is over. I'm happy. And they seem like nice people, so I made them up a huge bag of noodles and, you know, said, hey, you know, sorry it was been noisy. Keep trying to work on those little punks, and yeah, welcome to the neighborhood. Anyways, time for our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented instant noodles. Number, I think we're on 15? I think maybe we're on 16, so I'll do 15 and 16, and if we were on 15, you get a bonus. Number 15, ideas for business can be found everywhere if you look around. Okay. And number 16, an idea that cannot be commercialized is nothing more than a whim. Ooh. I often compare this book to the Ferengi Rules of Acquisition, and that screams, if you're not familiar with that, Ferengi Rules of Acquisition are a concept out of Star Trek Deep Space Nine. And the Ferengi are a species of extremely capitalistic and greedy alien people, so yeah. I don't know, I'm just like really happy now. I felt like there was a cloud over my head. I mean, there is a cloud over our heads here. The weather has been crap, but and my feet really hurt. I went and I've been doing a lot of walking and broke in 2 pairs of shoes at the same time. So go figure, I need to run these feet underneath the foot spa. But I gotta go get bananas tonight. We go through so many bananas. It's ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous how many bananas get used in this house. A lot of bananas. I enjoy the banana oft times. Miles enjoys one every day, and my wife enjoys one every day. So when I go get a bunch of like 8 bananas, chances are that's gonna last like 3 days, 4 days, more like 3 days, maybe. And they're both very picky about how old bananas get. So if there's too many spots, she doesn't want it. So I try to get extra bananas. Extra bananas. Yeah. But and it's hot in here too. Alright, let's get a fork. Okay. There's a pot. Some noodles. And I'm gonna dump them in here. Because this just makes plating easier, and easier plating is what I am freaking all about. Let's give this a try. We're reaching the end of school for the children. I still can't believe we've already done 170 days of remote learning. Broth. It's an interesting take on chicken. I like it. It's not bad. I also like the fact that they include an oil sachet and a chili powder sachet. I think there's so many varieties that could be so much better. I mean, just put the little chili powder in there. Put a little bit of oil. Could you imagine if you got a pack of like Top Ramen and it came with a vegetable sachet and an oil sachet and a chili pepper sachet and just the regular chicken flavor. You could have like Top Ramen Supreme. You can call it that. There you go, Top Ramen. Do it. Make it happen. Make it like extra. Cost more. You know? You guys have the Rao, which is cool. But I'm talking, not talking like an authentic Japanese style, because the Rao is miso tonkatsu and shoyu, which is soy sauce. But why can't you come out with like a more domestically styled Supremo idea? Like creamy chicken supreme. Dude. And the other one you'd need to make is a creamy tomato. I think I can probably speak for the majority of the instant noodle heavy user community out there that's been a customer of yours for a long time. Tomato instant noodles were a big hit. Whoever had them, whether it was Nissan or Maruchan, and I get asked about those constantly. Whatever happened to the tomato instant noodles? I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. So just something to think about. R&D departments of large instant noodle companies. I'm on your side. I want you guys to make like the most wonderful stuff in the world. Pick my brain. Pick it. Pick at it. Because I am the guy. Just put me on a retainer. I'm telling you what, I can help you in ways that you have no clue. Or you have a clue and you just don't want my help. And that's okay too. I'm sure somebody at a noodle company will hear that and be like, you hear this guy? The name of this guy, the freaking balls on this guy. What do this guy thinks he knows of all this crap? There's some and by the way, Thai chef, you're always, I always have your ear as well. You know, anybody who wants to talk to me can talk to me. I love talking noodles. So there's that. A little bit of cilantro, aka coriander. I heard there was a recall on organic coriander powder. This is, of course, I'm talking out of my, it's June here, so I can't believe it. It's what, September 4th? It's almost Labor Day weekend. What are you gonna do for Labor Day? I don't know. Who knows? We could be in like pandemic part 2. Like real phase 2. Like, who knows? I hope not. Because I don't think I nor my neighbors below could handle any more remote learning. No, sir. But yeah, this is a good one. I'm cool with this. I could eat this. I just tried it. So let's let this do a little bit of spinning. And yeah, cheers. Alright, well hey, thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Hey, the next episode you're going to see is cup noodle stir-fried teriyaki chicken flavor. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.